What word are you going to spell?
Cat.
Okay, how do you spell cat?
Remember.
What makes the k sound?
C.
Mm-hmm.
Now.
What makes the ah sound?
T.
No, ah. Ah.
A.
Yeah, good job.
Like alligator, apple.
Mm-hmm.
Now what?
T. What is that? What's that letter?
T.
Let me see the paper. Can you hold it up for me? What's that spell?
Cat.
Good job.